Looking to download a video from Telegram and save it directly to your device? You're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how Telegram handles video downloads and how to get those videos saved permanently to your gallery, camera roll, or PC. No more wondering where that funny clip or important file actually went. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about how Telegram handles video downloads automatically, and this is something a lot of people don't realize is happening in the background. By default, Telegram is set up to start downloading media, like videos, as soon as you open a chat that contains one. So as you scroll through your chats or open a video, Telegram is quietly working behind the scenes, saving that file to a temporary cache on your device. You'll notice a little progress circle on the video itself once that's filled up, or when you hit play, the entire video file is now sitting somewhere on your phone or computer, ready to access. But you might be wondering, where exactly did that file go, and is it really saved for good? Let's break it down by device. If you're on Android, all these Telegram videos end up in a pretty specific spot. Open your favorite file manager app and navigate to internal storage, then look for the Telegram folder. Inside, you'll find another folder called Telegram Video. That's your treasure chest. Every video you've streamed or played on Telegram can usually be found there. It's a bit like checking your mailbox in the same hallway every day. Telegram keeps everything in one easy-to-find place. If you're an iOS user, it works a little differently. For your videos to be saved directly to your Photos or Recents album, you need to have a setting turned on inside Telegram. Go into Settings, tap on Data and Storage, and check Save to Camera Roll. If this option is enabled, any video you play should show up right in your Photos app, just like videos you record yourself. If not, don't worry, we'll cover manual saving in a moment. On your computer, Telegram makes things pretty convenient too. If you've watched a video and want to save it somewhere specific, just right-click on the video in your chat and choose Save As. You'll get to pick the folder, whether it's your desktop, downloads folder, or anywhere else that's easy for you to remember. If you skip this step, the video might end up in your system's default download folder. It's like sliding important papers straight into your filing cabinet instead of letting them pile up on your desk. Now let's talk about how to make sure you're saving videos permanently, especially useful if your automatic download settings are turned off, or you want to organize everything in your camera roll or gallery. This method works great for when you want to keep that memorable video, not just leave it floating around in Telegram's cache. Start by opening the chat with the video you want. Tap the video once to open it in full screen. This helps ensure the download is complete, since Telegram will finish pulling down the file at that point. Here's a handy tip. On Android, after you've opened the video, tap those three vertical dots in the corner. On iOS, you'll usually see a share icon. Tap that, and from the options, pick Save to Gallery, Save Video, or sometimes you'll use Share then Save Video. Give it a few moments. Your phone is copying the file directly into your photo collection, where it's easy to find later. And that's it. Downloading videos from Telegram is pretty straightforward once you know where everything goes and how the settings work. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a like. It really helps me out. If you have any questions or want to share your tips for organizing Telegram videos, drop a comment below, and of course, subscribe for more user-friendly tutorials just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.